Welcome back, children. In today's session, we're going to begin a new chapter, that is subtraction. Let's begin. Children, what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means to take away. Like in addition, putting things together means addition, right? But in subtraction, taking things away in order to find out the left things is called subtraction. We subtract to find out how many things are left. So whenever things are taken away, we call it subtraction. The sign of subtraction is called as minus sign. And how do you write it as? A small dash. Just like addition, subtraction is also done by two methods: horizontal subtraction and vertical subtraction. Let's understand the meaning of this concept again. For example, there are 3 monkeys on a tree. Can you see 3 monkeys? And one of the monkeys fell down. So just see how many monkeys left? Only 2 monkeys. So this is what subtraction is all about, to find out how many a particular thing is left. So if you see, children, there were 3 monkeys in total. And 1 monkey fell down. So minus 1. How many monkeys left in the end? Only 2 monkeys. Right, children? So let us understand this, how to exactly subtract with the help of your fingers. For example, 8 minus 5 is given. Children, we always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Okay? Please remember, in subtraction, we always subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So, how do you do that? Now, you have to start counting, forward counting from the smaller number to the bigger number. For example, which number is smaller here? 5. So, you will start counting after 5 and you will count till 8. On your fingers. So let's count 6, 7 and 8. Just observe how many fingers up? 3 fingers up. What is the answer? 3. Easy, children? So this is the way you subtract with the help of your fingers. Now let's just have a look at horizontal and vertical subtraction. In horizontal subtraction, numbers are written one beside the other, and in vertical subtraction, numbers are written one above the other. Okay, children? Now, let's do some pages from your book Maths is Fun. Open page 38. Over here, we have to subtract. So first of all, when we subtract or take away, we basically find how much is left. In this first example, if you see, there are some trucks. Let's find out how many trucks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trucks. Take 1. Let's take 1 truck away. Taking 1 means let's just cut 1 truck. How many trucks left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 trucks left. Or you can also use your finger method to do. Now let's do another question. There are some bags here. Let's count how many bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags. Take 2. Now children, you can either do it by cutting the 2 bags or you can do your finger method. You have to start counting after 2 until 8 on your fingers. So let's count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers are up? 6 fingers up. So 6 is the answer. So this is the way you will solve all these questions. Okay, children? Now, moving on to next page, page 39. Here, vertical subtraction and horizontal subtraction is given. Now, one more method is given with the help of dots. In this particular question, you have to count how many total dots are there minus the number which is given below. We always subtract smaller number from the bigger number, right? So, in the first question, if you see 5 minus 2, how many dots are made already here? 5 dots. Minus 2 means you have to take away 2 dots. So, let's just cut 2 dots. How many dots left? 1, 2, 3. Write down 3 here. So this is the way you will be solving all these questions. Let's try these ones. 8 dots are made here, minus 3. So let's cut 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. How many dots left? Only 5. Write down 5. Children, you can use the dots method or the finger method. Okay, children? Now let's learn a new thing, subtraction with 0. We also learned addition with 0, right? In addition, whenever you add any number with 0, what is the answer? That number itself. So same is the case with subtraction. Whenever 0 is taken away from any number, the difference is the number itself. Let's have a look at this example. Okay, now if you see, there are some boxes on the table left. See, how many boxes? 9 boxes. And minus 0. Children, we all know 0 means nothing. So we don't have to take any box from this table. So still, how many boxes left at the end? Same number, 9 boxes. So basically, whenever we subtract 0 from any number, the answer to that is that number itself. Okay, children? Another concept. Now, when we subtract a number from the same number, the result to that is 0, children. Let's have a look at this example. Now, if you see, there is this jar and there are 7 fish in this jar. How many fishes? 7. If you take out all the fish from the pond, from the jar, just count how many fish left? Nothing. 0. Right? So it means whenever we subtract a number from the same number, the answer is 0. Let's take another example. If you subtract, if there are 5 pens on the table and if 5 pens are taken by your brother or your sister, so let's subtract it from the same number. What is the answer? 0. So children, always remember, whenever you subtract a number from the same number, answer is 0. Okay, children? Let's solve questions related to this now. So, subtracting 0. First question, 7 minus 0. Whenever we subtract 0 from any number, what did we learn? The answer is the number itself. So, what is 9 minus 0? 9. 5 minus 0? 5. 10 minus 0? 10. 8 minus 0? 8. Wonderful. Let's do next one now. We have to subtract a number from itself. Okay, children? Let's do it. We already know that whenever we minus a number from itself, the answer is 0. So 6 minus 6? 0. Right? 7 minus 7? 0. So this is the way you have to solve all these questions. Okay, children? Now, what are we going to do? Just have a look. Page 41, 42, 43 and 45 of your book Maths is Fun will be your homework. Besides that, we'll also learn table of 8. Let's just have a look. 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are 80. Isn't it easy, children? So you have to write this table of 8 in your notebook neatly along with the pages mentioned here. What are the pages? Page 41, 42, 43 and 45 of which book? Maths is Fun. Okay, children? Thank you. Have a nice day.